rubbish is that? Eh? Why would she call off a job that we've made all the necessary arrangements to strike tonight? Why?
Great. She called us for this job, right?
Uh-huh.
And she has decided that we quit and we don't proceed, right? That is not my problem. Neither is it your problem. My problem now is she needs to pay us off. She needs to pay us all the money that we need.
Good. Now you're talking. Eh? Just call her. She should pay us off immediately. Listen, I don't want to get mad.
I'll call her. But I'm suggesting we give her time. Maybe she might change her mind.
What are we waiting for? She said she's no longer interested, right? Listen, Jasper, you and I know that we've invested so much already on this job. Call her to pay us off now. This is money matter. Call her to pay us off. Have your hand on the pen, you? Jasper, call her now. What is all this now? Eh?
Hello. I said I am no longer interested. Is that a crime? What did you just say? That I should pay you off. How? I don't get it. Did I not pay you the part payment? Did I not? I'm supposed to be the one asking you for refund. Do not call my line again.
If I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will be your answer? What will be your answer?
Why? Tommy boy! Tommy boy! Hey, man. How are you? You are still handsome. I love that. You're not bad either. You're looking more handsome. How's your family?
They are good. I left them.
Oh, they will still be good until they welcome you back.
He said,
Man, Tommy.
"Fine white."
It's been a very long time, guys. Hey.
So where are you heading to?
I'm going to Allison Street.
Allison,
Yes.
join me.
Oh, come on. Thank you, the chief. He told me.
Very.
He told me.
Joe, what have I done to you to deserve this your ill treatment? What?
Calm down now. Calm down. Yeah? This is it. Yeah?
Where's the money you promised to pay into my account 2 days ago? Chief is back! And he's demanding I do account for him. Where's the money?
Evans, I've been busy for 2 days now.
Okay. You've not been busy!
Don't worry. The first thing tomorrow morning, I'll go to the bank and
So, you can be this heartless. No wonder my wife and mother-in-law warned me about you, but I never listened to them. One day I'm not leaving this place without the money. One day I'm not. I will hit you. Don't play with me. I will so hit you.
No. Okay, Evans. Remove your hand. It's not a fighting matter. Your hand.
It's a fighting matter.
It's not.
So it's a fighting matter.
Evans doesn't know how important this account is. Anyway.
I am not joking. I will kill your husband. I will kill you if you fail to pay up this time around. Don't play with me.
Calm down. I'll pay you. First thing tomorrow morning, name in a bank. Straight. Eh?
This is you for real. This is you for real. Really? I went out of my way to help you. Would have never done that for anybody.
Not good for anger.
Out of my way to help you, and now you want to ruin my life. I won't watch you do that.
Let's calm down. I'll pay you.
You want to bring down everything I've worked for. I won't let you do it.
He's bringing it down.
I'm coming for you.
Oh?
You know me too well. I'm coming back for you.
Calm down.
You're so evil.
Evans, you know why you're What does Salona happen?
It's okay.
Hey.
See, don't mind him. Go where you're going to. Yes. You see, I call you back. I am with you on this one. See this one, eh? I tell you, I get it back for you. Move!
Trying to scatter me.
Yes, now move. Gaga. Hey, Odogum.
If I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will be your answer?
He looked me on the face and threatened to kill my husband.
Now I ask, money and woman, which one is enemy of man?
Rubbish. Huh? I don't even know what to call this idiot. You begged me for this money and I gave it to you without complaint. Time to pay. You're talking nonsense. I rant nonsense. You think I don't need the money myself? Yeah? The money is not mine. I will so deal with you. You see? Chief is calling me. Chief is calling me and I am very sure that Chief is in the office now. What do I tell him? What do I tell him? Hello, sir. Yes, sir. It's a lie! It's a lie! It's a... It's $2.98 billion. It's $2.98... It's a lie! $385 billion.
What is wrong with him? He picked my call and refused to talk. Now he's not picking up anymore.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Do you know why Evans is not in office today?
Not at all, sir. I spoke with him a few minutes ago. He asked about you, but I told him you are not yet in the office.
Call him. Let me see if he'll pick your call.
Okay, sir. He's not picking up, sir.
You can go.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Let it not be what I'm thinking. I saw his reactions yesterday when I told him he will make up an bridge account for me today. And look at what is happening.
Yes, Mama. I have been calling my husband and he's not been taking his calls.
Did he tell you that he'll be going anywhere after work?
No, he didn't. He did not. Why is he not taking his calls now, Mother? Mother, I'm scared.
Please, Hilda, calm down. He'll be back. Calm yourself down.
Why is he not taking my calls now? He should pick.
Maybe he's busy. Or his phone is on silent. You go calm on yourself.
Sweetheart.
What are we celebrating?
Life. Life is good, you know. Come on, cheers. Drink up.
Babe, the thing is that I don't just know what is wrong with me these days. I don't know what is going on with me.
Are you sure you're good?
Yes, okay? I'm okay, I'm fine. Just that if I go out now to do one thing, I find myself doing another thing. Like I went to transfer the money to Evans the other time, and I just realized that I didn't just go to the bank again. I went to the drinking bar and sat down there and started drinking. Before I knew it, it's 5 p.m. in the evening, and I started coming back.
Baby, I need you to give me 15 million euro from that money. I want to put it in my new business.
Babe, doesn't mean that you didn't just hear what I said. Look at yourself. Can you hear yourself? I just told you something now, and you did not even say anything. You didn't just say anything. And you're saying this.
I mean, what are you expecting me to say? Sweetheart, please. I need the 15 million naira first thing tomorrow morning. You know what? You can keep the 15 million naira, the remaining 15 million naira to yourself. Put it in your business, do it whatever you wish, but please, tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning, please, transfer the 15 million naira into my account.
Sweetheart, okay? I will not do it. I'm not going to give you any dime from that money. Because I'll be going to the bank first thing tomorrow morning, straight to the bank to transfer the money into Evans' account. What's so funny? Why are you laughing?
Ma, his number is not going. His number is switched off. Why now? Hey, since I married him, he has never slept outside before.
Hilda, please, calm down. Oh, Putro, nothing will happen to your husband. Or maybe he went on a business meeting.
Business meeting, and he did not tell me. Come in. Mama. Mama. Hey. Aga. Hey. No. No. How is everything?
Thank God. Hilda, you look worried. Hope all is well.
Mama, I'm fine. Everything is fine. No. Yes, ma.
Okay, if you say so. Why are you wasting time? Gotta get something for your mother-in-law.
Mama, do you want me to take your bag inside?
No.
Okay, let me.
Oh, slippers again. Papa is no pull up, Jay.
Should I carry your bag?
No, don't worry.
You made me cry for you. You made me sad. You made me cry for you. You made me sad.
Mama, she didn't even tell me she was coming. Eh? She just came and now she's asking after her son.
My dear, I know Ojugo very well. She must be here on a mission.
Mission? What kind of mission is that?
I don't know.
Good afternoon, miss.
Good afternoon.
Please, is this Evan's house?
Yeah, and who are you?
My name is Favor, Secretary of Tom to Tom Investment. Ma'am, please, my Oga sent me here to come and check why your husband have not been in the office since yesterday.
You mean my husband wasn't at the office yesterday?
He did not, ma'am.
My dear, my husband left this house to the office and I haven't seen him till now. He hasn't come home. Mama, if you go near now, sure you have seen it. He wasn't at the office yesterday.
Hilda, please calm down. Eh? Don't conclude yet.
Mama, what do you mean by I should not conclude? Okay, where is he? Where has he gone to?
I don't know, Hilda.
Hey! Mama, what have they done to my husband? You didn't see him at all yesterday?
No, ma, I've not seen him.
At all?
Not at all.
Did you hear it? She said she did not see him at all yesterday. He didn't go to the office.
Calm down.
Mama is Evans.
Okay. Oh, it's okay. Okay. Alright. Come in. Excuse me, look.
Sir, he's not in the house.
Go back to your duty.
Okay, sir.
You made me cry for you. You made me sad.
$30.86 billion.
You made me cry for you. You made me sad.
$358 billion.
Is this not Hilda's husband? Look, Madia. Okay, Vance. Okay, Vance.
358 billion. That's $8 billion.
Okay, Vance, what happened to you? What is the matter? Okay, Vance. Yeah. What is the matter? Okay, guys, talk to me now. Let me.
Please forgive me. Return the favor back, cause I'm in trouble. Return my favor back. I am in trouble right now.
No, he has not behaved like this before.
Have you called him on phone?
Yes, I did call over and over, yet he did not pick my calls. I will have to send my secretary to his house, and his wife said he left home since yesterday and has not returned. I wonder why he should disappear now that I want to take stock.
Chief, take it easy. I'm of the belief that he'll call back. Definitely he'll call back.
Okay, I have tight schedule for the day. His disappearance is unacceptable, I must tell you. But anyway, let's go for lunch.
It's okay, take it easy.
Hello. You're welcome.
Yes, Mama. Good afternoon.
You're welcome.
Mama, it seems like Hida is not around.
Oh, she stepped out, but she will soon be back. Hope all is well.
Yes, Mama. I'll be on my way now.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye. Hida has not told me where my son is. And her number is not even going. What is happening? From the way she and her mother behaved in the morning, showed that something is wrong somewhere. I'll wait. Oh.
Mother, hold on, wait. Mother, I think I can call my phone at home. Do you need it for anything? Yes, no. Let's get to the police station first. It's very important to make a report. Very important. Because they go. Don't worry, they go. Mother, I think Ivan's mother has started suspecting something. Yes, I mean, the way she spoke to me this morning, he kind of threw me off balance. Well, you tell her everything. Yeah? Yes, tell her everything. But first, let's get to the police station.
You made me cry for you. You made me sad. You made me cry for you. You made me sad. You caused me pain. You broke my heart. Why all this wickedness on me? I'm beginning to melody. As whatever I did to you, please forgive me. Return the favor back, cause I'm in trouble. Return my favor back, I am in trouble right now. You made me cry for you. You made me sad. You made me cry for you. You made me sad.
Boss has not called me again. I hope all is well. I know he will be very angry with me. My wife has succeeded in persuading me to share the money into two. The 30 million naira. I didn't want to do it, but I find myself doing it. What's wrong with me? What is wrong with me?
What are we celebrating?
Finally. The Lord has done it finally. Finally. The Lord has done it.
What are we
Hold this drink. Hold it. Can't you see?
See what?
Are you blind? Can you see my new car?
Your new car?
My new car!
Babe, how? Wait, babe, wait. Don't tell me you used the money I gave you to buy a car.
What is wrong with you? You gave me the money, it's my money. I have every right to use it for whatever I want to use it for. For your information, sweetheart, tomorrow your woman will be traveling to Dubai to get goods for my new boutique. This call for celebration. Let me get a glass cup. We got to celebrate. Oh my goodness. Glass cup.
If I ask
Let's
you,
celebrate.
have you seen?
Tell me you used the money to buy.
If I ask you, have you seen?
What
will be your answer? What will be your answer? Now I ask, money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man? 'Cause I'm confused, which one?
What? How could such a huge amount of money be missing from his account? I am sure that is why he's running away. Well, anyway, I will get him before he runs far. Hello? Come to my office right now, yes. Yes, come in.
Yes, sir.
I want you to take me to Evan's house.
Okay, sir.
So go and tidy the work on your desk. We are leaving now.
Alright, sir.
Hilda, where is my son? What have you done to my son, Hilda? Where is he? Eh?
Mama.
Don't mama me, oh. What have you done to my son? I told him not to marry you because you're going to ruin his life. Where is he?
Mama, your son is missing. I haven't seen him for the past 3 days since he left home. I haven't heard from him nor even seen him.
Is he? Well, let me assume I did not hear what you said.
There is nothing to assume. You heard what she said. She said your son is missing. Eh? We are just coming back from police station when we went to make an official report. Yes. It's simple as that.
Now my son is missing.
He's missing.
How could my son be missing? How? You never provide my son for me, oh. And I hear that. Provide my son for me, oh. Before I will descend on you.
Hilda. She will not do anything. She will not do anything. I don't want to see you cry.
That I will not do anything. That I'm not going to do anything.
Yes.
I think.
Oh, you feel.
That I'm not going to do anything. My son is missing. So? I just said that I'm not going to do anything.
It's her fault that your son is missing. Is it her fault?
That I'm not going to do anything.
You are not going to do anything.
Oh. Yes.
Where exactly?
Let's be going straight.
After that point?
Yes.
By this way or this way?
I think it's by the left.
By the left?
Yes.
Okay.
Slowly. Watch. Yeah, we are almost there.
Okay.
Almost there.
Okay, by that flower there?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir, we are here. Yes, this is the building. Yes.
Okay. Let's just...
Okay.
Hey! That my son is missing. How? Hey! Oh God. How is my son missing now? How? If they don't provide my son for me, thunder will fire 2 of them. Thunder will fire them! Look at Hilda. For good 5 years, Hilda has not even considered me. No pull up. Hi! If they don't provide my son, let me. Thunder will fire them.
Well done.
You're welcome, sir.
Where is Mrs. Evans?
Najum Kanjuonya. Don't know.
Good day, sir.
Are you Mrs. Evans?
Yes, I am.
Officers, arrest this woman.
Arrest? For what? For what? Why? What did I do?
Miss Evans, you're needed at the station for questioning over your husband's sudden disappearance after stealing a huge amount of money from Chief Tom's here. So I advise you to remain silent because whatever he say or do may be used against him in the court of law.
Believe me when I tell you that he didn't steal any money. Chief, my husband did not steal your money.
Please, listen to my
Listen, officer. She has something to tell. My husband is not a thief. Chief, I beg. Officer, she did not steal any money. Now, why are you arresting her? She did not steal any money. You say you needed her for questioning and you are accompanying her now. It's not fair now. Officer, this is wrong. This is wrong. Officer, Chief, my husband is not a thief. He is not a thief. I can assure you that he is not a thief, officer. You said she needed her at the station.
Madam,
I just know my right.
Let me do my job.
Why do I have my right?
Madam.
Why do I have my right? I know my right.
Go in.
Officer, why the handcuff? You see the...
Chief, why? Yes, sir. Fire them.
anything, no. She did not do anything, Chief. Eh? This is unfair. Hey. Oyale, Kaka. You've not seen anything, no? You've not seen anything? No, ma.
We need to leave immediately. Like, we need to pack our things and leave this city right now.
I've just got a call that Evans is running mad on the street.
Yes, it's true. I saw him. As I'm talking to you, Chief have arrested Hilda. Definitely, she will tell him everything about the 30 million. You and me. So we need to leave this city immediately.
Baby,
they will come for us.
You caused all this. You used someone's money. Because of this money now, this guy is running mad on the streets.
Are you for real?
You used the money to buy a car. You bought a car with someone's money.
Are you being serious right now?
Oh, God.
Like, are you going to stand here and blame me for everything? So that this is not the right time for blames. Let us go in there, pack our things and leave this city. They're coming for us. Come, let's go.
Definitely, Chief will come for me. Chief will come for me because this guy is running mad on the street because of that money. Definitely, he will come for me.
You cross boundaries, pretend as well. You went extra mile just to achieve your evil doom. You must pay for all this evil. No hiding place for you. You must pay. If I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will
Green.
be your answer?
This is where she lives.
What will be your answer? Now I ask, money and woman, which one is enemy?
So, what do we do next?
We need to find our way inside. That woman must give us our money. She must.
Come on, Jasper. Listen, let me ask you. Do you think this woman is going to let us in through this gate? You know that's not possible. Anyways, I suggest we pass through the backside. What do you think?
Green, ever since I've known you, this is the first time you're giving a brilliant suggestion. Kudos on that. You know what will happen now? I will repark my car to avoid any unnecessary trace. Then I'm here from here.
In that case, you have to be fast, okay? We have to be fast with whatever we are doing here right now, okay? Come on.
All right,
let's get going.
You made me cry for you. You made me sad. You made me cry for you.
Great. Go in and check.
Jasper! The door is locked. I guess she's out already. Tell me, do you want me to break the door?
No. Wait behind. Right?
How come she's nowhere to be found? Huh? I thought you said she lives here. Listen, man, my money is important. Huh?
Great.
I don't want to lose my money.
Great. You need to relax. Remember the last time I followed her, I traced her down here, and she came into this place. I'm sure this is her place.
So what's going on? Where is she? Huh?
Let's wait behind. Come.
By the way,
my friend,
she will remain in the police custody until her husband comes out from his hiding.
What if he decides not to come out?
She will remain there. Look, what we're talking about here is 30 million naira, not 30,000.
But you are right. But the woman said something about her husband lending this money to a friend. I don't think you should investigate this matter before it is too late.
I don't have business with anyone. Except Evans. All I need is my money.
No, you are right anyway. No, let's wait for Evans to come out and freeze his wife and provide the money either.
He must come out.
He will come out. It won't take time, he'll come out. He will. But the man is much.
You made me cry for you. You made me sad.
Yeah.
You made me cry for you. You made me sad.
Yes! This is my shit. This is my I will buy this thing for $1.2 million. What now? Give me the whole world.
You caused me pain. You broke my heart. Why all this wickedness on me?
I want to carry the reward on my head. Give me the I am the owner of this one. Give me the reward. I want to carry this one.
Please forgive me. Return the favor back because I'm in trouble. Return my favor back. I am in trouble right now.
Can you hear me? 38.17 billion Kuwait dinar.
Evans! This is unbelievable.
Chimpanzee, the scrotum. Right! Your scrotum. $58.92 billion.
What happened to him? I have been looking for this young man for days now, only to find him in this condition.
Evans! I've been trying to reach him for days too. His contacts were all up. He's my friend. Evans!
Yes.
Evans!
Yes.
Can we possibly take him home with your car, please? Please.
82 battalion.
Evans, please.
82 battalion.
Oh.
Tua! 28.30 billion dollars. $58.30 billion. From 88 battalion. Tua! $20 billion. $20 billion. Kuwait currency.
Can we take him to this house? Evans. Sir, please, can we take him to his house? Is it possible, please? Let's use your time to take him to his house, please. Please, I've been looking for him too.
I want to run from here to Equatorial Guinea.
Hey,
From here to Ghana. Ghana to Cambodia. Cambodia to South Africa. South Africa to Poland.
Hey!
Poland to Senegal. I want to run. I will not allow anybody to carry this world. The world is my own.
Look at what they have done to my son. Just look at what they have reduced my son to. Eh? Hi. Don't worry. I'll be going. I'll let them know what I saw when I came. I told you not to marry this woman, but you refused. You barren woman.
Hey! Wazico, point of correction. My daughter is not barren. My daughter is not barren.
So why has she not given my son children? You still have more to talk.
Wait. When your son gets better, you ask him that question.
And you just think my son told me everything. Yes, he told me everything. In fact, that is why I am here. I came to tell my son to marry another woman. But what? Yeah, look at what I'm seeing. Look at what I'm seeing. Nadeba. So what?
Don't worry, Wazico. I am waiting for you and your people. I'm not afraid of anybody.
You're waiting for us.
I demand afford me.
Nama, you're waiting for us. I will tell you that I'm Wazico. Nama, I will deal with you.
You deal with me.
I will deal with you, Nama. I will deal with you, you and your daughter. You will see. Okay, go.
Yes.
Okay, go. Okay, so I will see you.
Get out.
Down and down.
I'll deal with you. I'll deal with you. I'll deal with you. I'll deal with you. From Ghana to Poland.
Mama, it's okay, Biko. No, Hilda, please. The most important thing that he will find him alive. Nothing happened to him. Please, it's okay.
Amaka, his mother just called me a barren woman. I am not barren.
A barren, Baramba.
I know. It's okay, my dear. Everything will be fine, okay? You are not. Let them say whatever they want to say.
God, why me?
888 zillion Kuwait.
Why me? Why me? I just want to take my own life. I am tired.
You can't do that.
You see, what did I hear you say? Take your own life for what? Take your own life for what? Listen, Hilda, you see this? It will pass. No condition is permanent. My friend, wipe your tears. Wipe your tears also.
39 million billion.
As Mama said, it will pass. Okay, this phrase must pass.
What proof do you have that Joe is responsible for your husband's predicament?
I am very sure, Mr. Elvis. I am very sure that Joe and his wife, they are both responsible for my husband's predicament.
Can you prove that?
Yes. Yes. Listen, few months ago, when Joe's shop got burnt, he came to my husband and my husband borrowed him 30 million naira to assist him. And then, when my husband decided to ask for his money back, he started giving him excuses. He was no longer straightforward. Lies upon lies. How else do you explain that? Okay, tell me. If they were innocent, why did they relocate?
Oh, wait a minute. Did you just say that Elvis gave a whooping sum of 30 million naira that does not even belong to him to a total stranger?
Yes.
How?
I don't know. I mean, I warned him, but he paid deaf ears. Probably because it's a woman talking.
This is absurd.
If they were so innocent, why did they run away? Why did they have to relocate from their previous house? Why?
Well, as it stands now, our priority should be to focus on how to solve this issue. To seek for solution to your husband's condition. That is what I see facing us now. Let's forget whatever happened before. For now, please.
Joseph Ndoka. God will punish you. God will punish you. You and your wife Esther, God will punish you. I will make sure you pay every every penny that you've eaten.
That's
oh,
God.
God.
That's enough. That's enough. Like I said.
No, look at my husband's condition.
It's okay. Like I said, our priority is his present condition. Let us seek for solutions to that for now. Let every other thing be.
Okay.
I want to eat hippopotamus. Give me anaconda scrotum. That's what I want to eat. Anaconda scrotum. Scrotum. 520 billion quid. 358 million euros. Give me the whole world. I want to carry the whole world on my head. I want to carry this world on my head. The world is my own. Hippopotamus scrotum. That's what I want to eat. Water. Yes, it isn't easy. Give me the whole world. I want to carry the whole world on my head.
If I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will be your answer? What will be your answer? Now I ask, money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man? 'Cause I'm confused, oh. Which one? I'm confused, is enemy of man?
Man, your husband does not have any right to take back my money.
Yes, sir.
Without my consent. I need my money immediately.
Oh, sir, please. Please, sir. Forgive us, please. We are sorry. Eh? We are sorry, please. My husband is not fine. Biko.
I don't need your sorry. All I need is my money.
Chief, I perfectly understand where you're coming from. But you see, every present condition is not really making things easy for us. Right now, I know that the money is that huge. 30 million naira is not 30,000. But we're presently making an arrangement to take him to psychiatric hospital for proper treatment. That is the big game that is facing us now. Please.
Listen, I need my 30 million naira. I don't care how you get it.
Like I said earlier, Chief, I heard what you said. We understand. But I promise you, we will get back to you soon. We are definitely going to work on that. Please. Please.
Like I said, my money or nothing. I don't care how you get it. You can go. It's all right, Chief.
Where do I get 30 million naira from in this condition? Where?
Forget whatever that man said in there. Look, our major concern now should be to take your husband to where he will receive a proper treatment. That's all.
Do you think that man was bluffing?
I don't care if he was bluffing or not. Look, my friend's condition is what matters most now as we stand. Just forget about whatever he said. Let's go.
I'm tired.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm tired. I'm tired. Tired.
Wait, you mean all that man is interested in is his money?
Yeah. He doesn't care about my husband. He's just asking after his money. Yet, asking for his money as if my husband's life doesn't matter.
So what are you going to do about it now?
I don't know. I mean, what do you want me to do? Where can I possibly get 30 million naira from? Where? Listen, my only concern right now is figure out how to take my husband to the best hospital for him to have good treatment. Honestly.
Wow, this is unbelievable. Chiroma.
Oh, my dear, when did you return?
I returned yesterday. Guess who I saw?
Who?
Joe's wife.
Esther?
I saw her in the city which I traveled to. She now owns a big boutique. And she's now driving a flashy car, very big at that.
What?
Yes, sir.
Esther now drives? I see. I see that they've started enjoying the 30 million naira. No wonder they projected madness to my husband. And our God will punish them.
Punish them?
But why didn't you follow them now? Why didn't you follow her? At least get address or something. Why didn't you follow her? I need to set my eyes on those people.
Forgive me, oh. It occurred to me lately when I must have left. Paro. Don't worry, we will still get them.
My God will punish them. Honestly. God will punish them. They will never go scot-free.
They will never go.
So no wonder they projected madness into my husband. God will punish them.
Don't be your jaw. If you see her car, notice me. If she's coming out, you will know that Esther is driving out.
Are you serious?
Honestly.
Who is this? Who is this?
Who?
I don't know. Hello?
Good evening, Mr. Joe.
Yes, good evening. Who is this?
This is Hilda, Evans's wife.
Hilda. Who? Evans's wife.
Hilda? Let me have the phone. Hello, Hilda.
Esther, give your husband the phone. I want to talk to him.
You called my husband by this time of the night and you're asking me, ordering me to give him back the phone. Is something wrong with you?
Esther, you think you have succeeded, huh? You think you have succeeded?
Succeeded on what?
Listen, tell your husband to pay the money he borrowed from my husband, Esther. Tell him. Else.
What money are you talking about? Now listen very good. Let this be the last time that you ever pick up that your miserable phone to call my husband. Don't ever try it next time. Last warning. Fool.
Esther, you are playing with fire. You are playing... Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello? What the hell? She ended the call on me?
Idiot. How did she even get your number?
I don't know. Maybe from her husband's phone. I don't know.
Hilda.
Mother.
It's time for you to put yourself together so that you can face the challenges before you.
Mother, can you imagine? Do you know that I just finished speaking with Joe and his wife Esther? Guess what? They weren't even remorseful about their actions.
But I told you not to call them. I told you. Let them be for now. Let them be.
Oh, God. What I wish. I just wish I know where they are. I wish I know where they are now. I would have just gone there and tear them into shreds. Those people are wicked. They are evil.
Calm your mind. Calm your mind. God no go shame us. At all. And remember, what God cannot do does not exist. Calm your mind. Oh, everything will be alright. Okay? Calm your mind.
If I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will be your answer? What will be your answer? Now I ask, money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one? Which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one? Which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one? Which one is enemy of man? 'Cause I'm confused, oh. Which one? I'm confused, is enemy of man? Jeremiah Dironya, one you'll be a boy. Bigger the Roma, one you'll be Kakraka. It's so bad.
Yeah, hold on.
This is wickedness. Desperate
I'm
woman.
coming. Oh.
This is wickedness. And you're my friend to know. You cross boundaries. Pretend as well. You went extra mile just to achieve your evil doom. You must pay for all this evil. No hiding place for you.
Say hi.
Oh, good.
Baby. Sorry I came back late. I went to do a supply, but was head up on traffic.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I need to go freshen up a little bit. Same.
I can perceive some stench of alcohol. Let it not be that she's lying to me.
I simply told his wife to go and get me my money. What we're talking about here is a huge amount of money.
Chief, You think this woman can give you this kind of money under her husband's condition?
Do I care?
Yes, you should care. If you need your money, you should care.
How do you mean?
Chief, do you need to not tell anybody? All you need to do is get Evan's wife. Let her testify that her husband lent this money to the young man and you will get your money. What else?
I don't have business with the young man, so I cannot nail him.
All you need to do is get this man arrested. Get him arrested and your money will come out.
Do you think that will work?
Definitely. Give it a trial and it will work. I promise you.
By the way, there is no point giving that a trial. I have no business with this young man. So all I can do is to wait for Evans to get well. And there's no point in the trial.
Chief, the ball is your court. The choice is yours.
Don't bait me. Where are you coming from?
I don't get it. What kind
Where are you coming from by this time of the night?
What kind of question is that? From my boutique, of course.
From your boutique? And you're smelling of alcohol.
I don't just get it. What is this? What is this? What are you insinuating? That I've been drinking all day in my boutique? What are you insinuating? What is this?
Esther, listen. Listen. This should be the first and the last time you will come back to this house by this time of the night. Do you understand?
Joseph, do not provoke me this night. Do not provoke my anger. Can't I do my business again in peace?
And what kind of business are you doing till 12 midnight? What kind of stupid business is that? Let this stop. Do you understand? I don't want to repeat myself again.
I know your problems. You are just a frustrated man. But let me advise you. Take your frustration elsewhere.
Have you seen devil before?